Are you searching for Goldspirevision reviews and trying to understand what the platform offers? Goldspirevision is an educational platform focused on helping new users learn the basics of finance, trading, markets, and crypto. The main idea is simple. Explain important topics in plain language so beginners can follow along without feeling lost. Many people who are new to trading struggle with complex terms, fast-moving information, and confusing market discussions. Goldspirevision aims to make that learning process easier by breaking topics into simpler explanations. The platform covers areas such as market basics, trading concepts, financial education, crypto fundamentals, and risk awareness. This can be useful for users who want to build knowledge before making decisions in real market environments. One of the strengths often associated with platforms like Goldspirevision is accessibility. Instead of assuming that users already understand technical terms, the content is designed to guide beginners step by step. Of course, education is not a guarantee of trading success. Markets involve risk, and users should always continue researching, compare sources, and make informed decisions. So, if you are reading Goldspirevision reviews, focus on whether the platform matches your learning style. If you prefer simple explanations, beginner-level education, and broad coverage of finance and crypto topics, Goldspirevision may be a platform to explore. Thanks for watching. Search Goldspirevision reviews to learn more about the platform and its educational approach.